Hi there, today we're going to run through a few simple steps on how to use your MLEN Magnetic Lashes. So first of all, when you purchase, you get a black box like this with 2 pieces of paper. This is a certification to prove that your MLEN Lashes is a genuine product. Okay, so this piece here is a manual with a few simple steps on how to use them. So you can take a look and have a read. But don't worry if you don't understand them, just watch our video or just drop us a message to ask us how to use your lashes. So every box comes with a black pouch, a black box with a pair of lashes, and also an applicator to put on your lashes. So when you open the box like this, okay, you can see the pair of lashes seated inside nicely in the box. So how do you know which is for which side of your eye? So put this black box in front of you. This is for your left eye and this is for your right eye. It's as simple as that. Your left eye and your right eye. But just in case you get them mixed up, so how do you differentiate which is for which side of your eye? Take out a pair of lashes, to have a look at it. Okay, you can see that there's always one side of the lashes that is shorter than the other side. So from this pair, this side is shorter than this side. So the shorter side is always the side that is facing the inner corner of our eyes. So there's the part that's closer to our nose. So by looking at this, I'll know this is for my left eye. Okay, you can see the other pair. Okay, see this part is longer and this part is shorter. So also same thing. So by looking at this, I'll know this is for the right side of my eye. Okay. So of course, all of us, we have slightly different shape and sizes of our eye. Okay, some of us we have a rounder eye, some of us we have a more flatter features. So don't worry, MLEN uses soft magnets, and one of the very good benefit is that soft magnet will learn to shape according to our eyes after a period of time. Okay, but if you feel that you want a rounder shape because of your eye, you can also gently shape them with your fingers. So how do you do it is, use your fingers gently and then just gently bend it a little. Okay, now you can see that the angle here is slightly rounder compared to this angle. So of course I can shape the other side as well. So now you can see that the whole angle of these lashes here is rounder compared to just now. So of course, if you have a flatter features, so you can also do the same thing. Okay. So you can see that it's a bit flatter than compared to just now. But don't worry if you are not sure how to do it. Just wear them on your eyes and you will learn to shape according to your eyes after a period of time. Yes. So the next thing we have to learn is how do we split them apart. Okay, you can see that there are lashes here at the corner. Use one of your fingers to hold it and the other hand to slowly split them apart. Okay, one tip here is that when you put them down on the table, always put them facing upwards. Means the lash direction is going upwards, because that's how we're going to wear it on our eyes later. Okay, so because when you put this like this, put it in this direction, it's also easier for us to put it on our applicator later. So same thing, hold the corner of the eye and then gently split them apart. So same thing, put them with the lashes facing upwards. Okay, so there we go. So what about the applicator? So every applicator, you can see the top part and the bottom part. And the applicator has pieces of magnet that is where we're supposed to sit our lashes later. Okay, so one tip here is that sometimes if we don't hold it properly, we tend to close our applicator unconsciously. So one of the tips here is to always put a finger in between our applicator so that it will always stay open. Because if you accidentally close it, you will have to do the whole thing again. So you know what I mean. Okay, with the lashes, you can see that this part, you can see the whole piece of magnet, and this part you can see that this is the part with the lashes. So how do I know which side goes onto the applicator? the side with the lashes goes onto the applicator. So again, put them facing towards the direction of going upwards. Okay, when I look at this like this, which is the lashes part? It's at the bottom. Okay, so I'll know that this piece of lashes goes to the bottom of the applicator. So just gently sit the lashes on the applicator. Same thing, put it facing upwards. Where's the lashes? The lashes is the top part. This is the full piece. This is the lashes. So the lashes is the top part. So I know this goes to the top of the applicator. Okay, so now you can take a look at it. So you can see both lashes are facing upwards. So one of the way to know that I have put the lashes at the right place is when I close the applicator, the lashes stick to each other. So that's one of the way to know that I have put them at the right side of the applicator. So I will show you again. Take out these lashes, okay, same thing, facing upwards. So you can see this is the full magnet part, this is the lashes part. So I know this goes to the bottom of the applicator. Same thing, facing upwards. The lashes part is on top, the full magnet part is at the bottom. So this goes to the top part of the applicator. Okay, so you can see them again. They are both facing upwards. Okay, and it sticks. Okay, so our next video we will teach you how to put the lashes on our eyes.